baseball. Who your favorite team, man? I'm pretty sure.
Astros hate us.
Oh, okay.
They hate us because they ain't us, baby.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Oh, snap. Yeah, it been going up, y'all. It got a lot of blue in there. Her followers then went up. And then I got a dude's name on here, a high booty man. That's his name.
High booty
a
man.
high booty man.
A high booty man?
Look at it.
Just a high booty man.
Yeah, a high booty man.
A high booty man. A high ass man.
Yeah, he like them hot booties. Yeah, somebody, one of the people said that's that. Yeah, they said giraffe booty. He like them giraffes.
Oh my God.
You know, it's different kind of booties out there, right? You gotta measure the circumference.
The circumference of the
of the arch. Yeah, that's how you know. Yeah, they got that onion booty. They got the teardrop booty. You know, all them different kinds. All them different kind of booties. You got the giraffe booty.
All in one booties.
Yeah.
So he's racing Omar, huh?
Yeah, they done already skipped the line.
Hell yeah, they did. They said,
Yeah, here go the Tesla, y'all. He done skipped the line. It's the Energizer Bunny.
Wait, what the hell is that? Somebody right on? Is that the actual
Hey.
Is that the fucking horse for real? Oh, that is the shit.
He got a nice little horn on there. Yeah.
shit, no.
There go that Tesla, y'all. I feel the wind coming out from here. Man, it's pushing out this way. Nah, it ain't that hot. This thing censored up. Damn, so these can't run hot, really. Yeah, man. Damn. Have you ever heard of a Tesla running hot?
Yeah, say nothing about no warming up shit.
Yeah, I told y'all to go around a few minutes to warm up. Y'all hauled ass all the way over here.
Why even
Yeah. Chris mad.
Shit, I just line them up.
It's gotta warm up.
Oh, yeah, he's got to put it in.
Okay, it's ready, Mike.
Mike, hey, for real, that's crazy.
Oh, snap. They said this thing gotta warm up. It's some new technology. I thought we wanted this shit cold as possible.
Yeah.
They warming shit up. This gonna be a good one, y'all. Y'all get ready. Where y'all at? I think I want the Tesla. Damn. Where y'all at? Where y'all at? Damn, man, this gonna be a good race. Let me see where Hey, Funky-Town! Funky-Town might know. Hey, Funky-Town, where you at? Funky-Town!
Here we go.
They gotta glue him down. Hey, Funky-Town, where you at? Oh, damn.
He gotta be bullshit. He just kept that motherfucker.
You think so? Man, that Tesla over there running, man.
Hey, man, I'm rolling that Tesla.
Yeah.
You better gap that motherfucker.
Okay. Hey, y'all, they said bet on Damn, man, I don't know where to bet at, y'all. Where to go? Hey, where you going? I know Teresa, you right here, right?
Oh, it's right here.
You on Oz right here? Damn, man. Where y'all going, man? This is gonna be a good one. Shit, I kind of want to get way down here. I want to I want to catch the middle of this. Oh, here they come. Yeah, left side for the win. Boy, Omar ain't playing with that Tesla, boy. Omar coming through. Yeah. Boy, Funkytown know what he talking about.
Yo!
Yeah.
What they thinking about?
Yeah, that was a gap.
That's a gap, dog.
I don't know.
That's a gap. I don't know what the fuck they let them bitch. That's the only way.
Damn, did you bet? You ain't bet?
Yeah, I bet. Where my other one at? Where you go?
Eric Tyson was about to get me hugged out, y'all. No drone view.
Man, they paying up like fuck. Hey, I don't know why they been with that Tesla. I rolled.
Man, I should have. Yeah.
What I tell you? A gal.
Damn, man.
I told you a gal, man.
I should have been betting, man. I could have been betting, I think. Everybody was betting with that damn. You were bet with him?
Hell yeah, I got paid like a motherfucker. Oh, hold on.
God damn.
Hold on, look out. God damn, I got me a crispy one out that ass. Where you go? Got me a crispy motherfucker.
Somebody asked where the drone at. They got my sales slogan out there for you. You buy, I fly. Skywalker 006 with the sub, y'all. Y'all know sharing is caring. Following free.